A lot of hardware crypto wallets rely on a seed phrase as the primary means of backup. But what if there was another way? Tangem offers a multi-card redundancy system that completely eliminates the need for a traditional seed phrase, providing a unique and highly secure method for protecting your digital assets. This is the Tangem wallet, and it's unlike other hardware wallets. Instead of a single device, it comes in a set of 2 or 3 identical cards. These aren't just backups in the traditional sense, they're all equal. When you first set up your wallet, a private key is generated inside the secure chip of one card. This key is created using a certified random number generator, and it never leaves the chip. It's never exposed to your phone, the internet, or anything else. Once the private key is created, the Tangem app prompts you to back it up. Using secure, encrypted communication via NFC, the private key is cloned to the other card or cards in your set. This is a one-time process, and it's designed to be completely secure, ensuring no one can intercept the key during the transfer. After this, all the cards in your set hold an identical, unextractable copy of the same private key. This is the core of Tangem's redundancy. What this means for you is that you have multiple, physical backups of your private key from day one. If you lose one card, you can still access your funds with any of the others. If one card gets damaged, the others are still functional. The only way to lose access to your funds is if you lose or damage every single card in your set and haven't created a seed phrase, which is an optional feature for Tangem wallets. This multi-card approach means you can store your cards in different secure locations, mitigating the risk of a single point of failure. It's a simple, elegant solution that gets rid of the most common vulnerability in crypto security, the seed phrase.